Hi, it's Taylor. I'm going to show you a little bit of crow feeding, but more importantly, this summer my mom suddenly passed away. I've been taking care of her. She's been living with me for almost 10 years, and she had trouble getting around, so I built her these flower boxes and other things. I could feed the birds, the chickadees, the house finches, but we really got into the crows. I'm sure you know how smart they are. They may have been called away because I heard them farther. They were calling me. Plus there's something. Crows don't like those neighbors. Here we go. There's just cheese in here. And birdseed are crows. But one more. This little fish I left out one day. I didn't realize they knew it was their treat dish. They had drug it all the way down. Next time they did it again, I told Mom it was definitely the crows. They knew what they were doing. Come on. I hope you can catch them. This may not be the day though. There you are, Fizzywig. I'm gonna move now so you can watch him. Come on, Zoe, we're going inside. Come on, Zoe. Just as a side thing, I never had any carpentry training. Come on, Zoe.